Welcome back to the Big Daddy Morning Show. It's your boy, Big Daddy Max, and I'm here with the one and only Tony Montana. And we're going to have a great day, Lama. It's going to be a great day. How are you?
I'm great. How are you? Are you sweating in there?
It's a little warm. It is a little warm, yes. And this tail is fucking up my vibe right now. So apparently, Big Boyd's got a tail.
I'm gonna take this short here. I like this short.
I like the potential bounce off 77-ish.
I want to see if this candle can print through 80, 85, and then I'll take it. This is a very strong area for me. It has to print through 90, and I'm happy here.
It could be good. It could be good.
I want to see if it comes all the way down to 140. In this trade, wick and flip there is really good. Got to break through that low though. I like how ES is looking here. You have a perfect retest there. There's a newer low.
Nice fucking short, Lama.
Let's trail. I want to take it to 40 here. I'm going to trail that body at 79. Depending on this print, I'm going to trail lower. I'm trailing that body. It looks like it might take me out here.
Nice short, Lama. People taking profit. Lama jumping on it.
I want to take it to 140. 140 is my area. 147, to be honest.
People are taking that profit.
Next partial. Need to see a continuation. I don't want to give a pullback here.
Very nice. Very nice. My daughter saw me briefly dressed up like this, and she did not like it. She started crying. It was very sad. It was very sad. She definitely did not like it. I was like, oh. Llama, people are asking for the charts, if they're requesting the chart.
Shit, I didn't even notice I wasn't sharing, guys. My bad. I want to see if we come down to the 786. I already closed I have a few brand new pros and buffer. I'm not trading the other ones because they still haven't given me my withdrawal from yesterday. I'm leaving these evals also. I have a batch of evals running.
Nice pop there.
Yeah, it's a very aggressive pop. It's more aggressive than I wanted it to be. ES is still under 5-minute midline though, so I'm not too scared of it. It could just be a squeeze. I am pretty confident in it going down to that low that it made.
SPX is dumping, so
could pull me out.
SPX is still dumping.
ES newer low. NQ got to follow that, bro. I might scale into this bitch. ES is approaching areas before NQ, which is going to be a problem.
I know that's right, guys. Today is the last day to join the Grand Cup. Join the Grand Cup. Get your Tradeify account today. 45% off sale ends. Stop messing around. Join the Grand Cup. Make sure you're on code BDM, Team BDM. We are the biggest team. We are going to have the best team. You're going to get a fresh eval. That's what I'm telling you. You buy the Tradeify account and you get a fucking another one for the cup. And if you make it to the 200 round, you get a live account. You get a live account where you can withdraw cash. So
right there at the door of 147, 148.
It's a nice treasy.
A little low here. There's 148 on the money. I'm going to take a partial there. That's a full TP. A heavy partial here. Heavy partial here. And if it breaks through, this can hold all the way down. But I'm going to heavy partial right here. I just made $7,000.
I might scalp along here on an MVG on SPX. I'm going to wait for the next candle. And I'm probably going to scalp along.
This is a reversal area here, Maxie. I'll tell you one thing. This is easy. You see this? This is easy. I do this every day, and this is easy.
It's easy?
This is easy. This is easy. And say hello to my little friend. Okay? 7 bandos.
Yeah, quick little MVG fill here. There we go. There we go. There's the long scalp. Moving. I'm up over 200 a con. There it goes, and I'm looking for my little buzzer here to trim out.
What if I told you there was a prop firm out there with no denied payouts? You'd probably say, Max, you're crazy. Every one of these prop firms is out to get you. But that's not true. Tradeify is leading the industry with 0 denied payouts. How do they do it? Well, first off, they got simple rules, a clear dashboard so you know exactly where your trading journey is at any given point, and the top software in the game to help process your payout faster than anybody. Be serious, be consistent. If you want to level up with the prop firm, level up with Tradeify.
Quality entry right here. This was the same area that I wanted to buy.
There it goes. I'm up 300 a con. I just want to see a little bit of a pop up, and I'm going to get out of this trade. There it goes. Whoa, there we go. There we go. I'm trimming out there. Got 1 con, and I'm going to move my stop loss up into break even. Here we go. We're up 400 a con. Up 400 con on the long scalp. Stop losses are up. I have it all the way up as 55. 55. I'm not going to. I'm not going to get cooked here. Whoa, there we go. 420 a con on the long.
You might be able to take this up to 85. This midline top is really
Got my
nice.
stop loss. I moved it up a little bit to 58. I moved my stop loss up to 58. 10-point trailing. 10-point trail. Whoa, and there we are. We are out. We are out.
Nah, ES is looking good. This might continue back up.
Is this a Treasy back up? Hold
Looks
on.
like a 3-bar. This is quality entry on ES.
This might be a Treasy up here on NQ. I'm gonna probably re-enter the long here. If this 3 bars, I'm gonna re-enter this. I'm gonna go a little heavier too.
I think you could, bro. This is quality entry on ES.
Let's see what NQ does. If it can break that previous body right there, then we are officially in a Treasy. There it goes. There it goes. Okay, we are ripping. First PT would be at 75. Stop loss, very tight.
ES did give entry. I mean, they should be good here. I don't think ES makes a newer low. NQ might, just because it could bullshit us, but I don't think
ES could definitely make a newer low. Anything is possible, twin. Anything is possible.
Let me see if it pops up to 87. This was a strong area of hesitation. This is why we took part. Took
just past my eval. Let's go! Congratulations, baby! Congratulations! Here we go. Cooking with a little bit of gas here.
Got to break through this. If it breaks through this 5-minute midline here at 170, this goes straight up to 1. Break here. They're both struggling at the 5-minute mid. If it breaks that, it'll get aggressive as fuck.
Yeah, I'm gonna look to trim just at 75 and right on the nose. Trim 3 cons, or in total, across my accounts.
It's a danger zone the way it's
max. Oh yeah, that rejection looks nasty.
It's a danger zone.
If SPX does not pull back up on this candle at all, I'm gonna exit. Those wicks, baby. Those wicks. They said the story. They said the story, Lama. They say we're not gonna go up.
They said get out, mi mano.
They say, my friend, we're not going up. We're gonna go down. Listen, puppy.
If NQ makes a newer low, yes, doesn't this looks good for the long? If not, it could just keep dumping. I had a lot of what's it called? Indecision today in my pre-market this morning. Indecision? I wanted to sell for sure, but it was indecision with this area. I told everyone this area is a heavy partial. If it breaks through, it could bleed farther. But this could be, our quality setup that we look for the reverse. I had a lot of indecision at this area. I knew we were coming to this area. I don't know if we're going to bleed through or not.
Yeah, no problem. Huge shout out to me for Tradeify allowing gold on the Grand Cup now, guys. No excuses. No excuses from the team. Let's get paid. Let's have fun together.
There's NQ newer low. ES not making a newer low. This is what I just mentioned. This could still flip back for longs here if ES stays intact.
I'm watching SPX has officially entered a range box, but I don't like the potential of a Treasy here. I need to see this Treasy get invalidated.
Let's see. ES still hasn't made a newer low. It's still just bottom side orb. Yep. This could be lit back up. This is what I was just mentioning a minute ago. 2 minutes ago.
If SPX can break green here and get above 64, 65, then I agree with Lama. Other than that would be cool. It ain't looking too.
Yes, newer low. Now it's looking tricky.
Oh yeah, there's the breakdown.
And I have targets for this all the way at 2060. This could be an 80-point down move. I just want to see if it breaks or not.
See if this closes back in the little. Whoa, there goes NQ.
NQ's nice wick out there.
That was a nice little pop there on NQ. I might take the long scalp again, see if SPX can hold this range, because NQ just went bullish as hell.
NQ3,
there it goes. There it goes. I'm loving Lama anymore. Let it go. Let it go. Oh, I'm sweating so bad in this fucking thing, dude. I got to tell you guys, it is not comfortable being in this outfit. It is not fun. I am very hot. Yeah, it is. It's not the best. It's not the best. I'm gonna keep it a buck with you guys. I'm banged up in this fucking outfit right now. I'm about to go short on this range break.
This can go short all the way to 60. I like it.
Yeah, the range break just broke. The new range break. It looks decent. The NQ looks decent. I'm probably gonna see about a short now. Test out that range break.
I really don't want to see it make a newer high. I think shorts might be good here for a continuation. I have levels all the way at 60, bro.
I think it's got to go all the way to in the 50s. If it's going to keep downtrending, I like the short, the range break, everything. I think it's got to keep going. There it goes. There it goes.
I mean, I jumped in it. It's looking good. It's like, I want that hesitation. I don't want hesitation.
The range breaker has been in 2 minutes. That's what I've been told, Owen, that you fucking put out a banger here, buddy. The new range break. I'm looking at it right now on SPX, and that's fucking clean work.
We have, whatchamacallit, orb in a minute and a half.
Yep.
Could give
Watch
it bounce
orb.
all the way.
I want to
That
see
would be
this treasy right outside of orb and just hold a short.
I want to see where it prints right here. If it prints, print all the way down to 60 and have a big ass.
That pre-market pump from earnings looks where we
Market
broke.
300 points.
We broke all market structure and everything. The short is like, it's not bad.
Yeah, I'm in the short. I'm up 1200 on the short. 1800, 2000. I'm gonna take a partial there. Fuck that. Let's see if we take the rest down all the way to 40.
55. Well, there it goes. Looking for like
40.
50
I have
or
an area
60.
here at 60. 65 is my area.
Yeah, I want to take my first trim at like 85 and then like 50, 60.
I pulled out. I trailed what on top of that candle. Bro, one mini, 1,000 across 5 accounts. One mini, 1,100 across 3 accounts.
The downtrend today is undeniable. Range break to the downside, everything to the downside.
3 bars will be good. If not, we have orb printing. I want to see if it taps midline one more time. If it breaks midline, this is very bullish to go all the way to topside.
Whew.
If it rejects midline, I'm going to short the fuck out of it.
It was the first
heavier than one
green
mini
right there.
Right.
But NQ dragging ass. Whoa, SPX pop it. NQ is dragging ass.
Officially out of my ranges.
I don't know. That short might be intact when the NQ just wicked and dragged ass. This candle's got to close way better than it looks because that was ugly. That was ugly looking.
This is it though. We want to see this break out of orb and it'll go here. Look at that. That's a good move right there.
The new range breaker is fucking insane. Look, there it goes. I told y'all. I've been telling y'all. New range breakers fucking buku. 85 is my PT for my first one. There it goes. There it goes. I want to see 85 and let it rip. Now we're breaking orb. That was orb, and we're breaking orb to the downside. If SPX, if this candle holds, oh yes, am I gonna ride this fucking short, baby? Hold on.
ES fall. NQ's getting bully here though. ES didn't break out. NQ did. We want to see NQ stay outside of orb. If ES can break out and they both break out at the same time, this is gonna get aggressive.
This is gonna get nice. Right. I like there goes SPX. The range break, man. There it goes. Holding that orb low. There it goes.
Let's see. NQ's got to play ball with us now though. Now NQ's getting bully. We want to see him break out.
SPX makes another newer low. I'm gonna scale into this short, Llama.
And they're staying intact inside orb though. This is a problem.
There's no problems, baby. Only solutions. Only solutions. Ooh, we got an MVG right here forming right on this little zone here.
That was kind of a problem there.
Okay, we got another MVG below right here. I might scale into the short after this candle, Llama. Let's see how this candle performs. If we hit that MVG, NQ is going to dump. Let's see what happens.
A hard stop at 35.
Let's see what happens.
I'm fully out and I'll get back in.
Struggling.
I don't want it to go to midline.
Nice. We got an MVG below. Nice pop up.
See if we come back down or not. This can get ugly for us.
Yeah, I might get stopped out around the 40-50 mark, but I'm holding. Here's that self block. If this gets taken out on SPX, yeah, you're right. This might be
good candle. Hold on, that's a good candle. Just wait on it.
I would have made a good Elsa. What does fucking Big Bird even say? Like, does anyone even know what Big Bird? I don't even know confidently what Big Bird says. Okay, there we go. Right towards that MVG. Let's see if we get a fill here and a drive through. Yeah, let's see if we get a fill and a drive through. NQ is holding, which is not good. It's holding strong.
Not good. Yeah, we need to see a continuation candle, and then we're looking really solid there.
Right. If that sell holds, there it goes. We're driving towards that MVG.
Hold on. Okay. Can't make a nut move here.
No, it filled. It filled.
Build and wick.
That thing filled the MVG right there. So now this thing needs to wick down. If it wicks down, I'll scale into the short again. Need SPX orb to go bye-bye. Bye-bye-bye. Bye-bye.
I see a wick. I'm scared. Yep, that's a good wick. We want to see a flip and a continuation, though. Yes is not playing ball. Yes is aggressive here.
Yes, SPX is holding on to this bottom side orb. Very good. But I have faith that it's going to test it. It's going to test it. It's so close. I don't see how it can't. You know what I mean? Like when we're this close, like you need some volume and some real push to get over, but we're not seeing that.
Come on, ES bottom side. We just want to break here. I'm going to take my profits. I'm going to reposition here. I don't like how NQ is just, ES is too aggressive here. I'm going to jump back in if it looks good, but for now, I'm getting my profit.
I haven't not gotten out of anything. I'm holding that short. I'm trying to trim another one on a break of 26.1. We're up nicely, and I'm just holding that thing because SPX, I think, is going to test bottom side orb. As bullish as it is, if it does, like Lama said, then NQ is definitely going to dump. if we test that bottom side.
It has room. It has a lot of room.
I mean, NQ gives up that 26,100. It's liquidating back down to a previous wick. Okay, there's a small test right there. Another little trim.
Yes, it's popping here, bro. Yes, it's so aggressive. Yes, took some nice highs, and if it rejects this, NQ is gonna dump hard. This is the real. It's all up to this right here.
It's all up to this. All up to this. SPX just exploded, but it fucking another MVG.
Just hanging out, which I like. I really like the way NQ's.
There was another MVG below.
There's the ES wick out. That's very good. This could be the move back down. Next candle should be bearish.
Stop fucking going off, you idiot. You dodo bird.
It should
you
get
dumb
bearish,
bird. You dumb bird. Yeah, I'm gonna keep holding this this short until, I mean, SPX is pumping, but NQ didn't move, so it has given me no reason to call it quits yet. Not yet. Maybe soon, but not yet. I remember the time Big Birdie Max hung out with Michelle Obama. Ew. No, I didn't. I would never. Don't talk to me like that. I would never hang out with an Obama. You want to spin?
There's the ES midline tab. There's the ES midline tab. This should be the fucking rejection, bro. Like, if not, this is playing games with us. But this was what we didn't want NQ to do. ES did it. And look at this rejection candle. We should get a fall here, honestly. We should catch a fall here. I priced into this one good. I want to see a down move here. Breakthrough orb with force. There's the red candle. We want it to be strong, though. We want a strong red candle here.
You know, vibes. You know, we Big Bird, baby. You know, we do Big Bird. Y'all know what it is. There's a lot of wicks, bro. It's building the pearly gates. If it doesn't break out of this pearly gates, you know the vibe. We could just be building a structure lower high. It has not broken out of these little pearly gates. A lot of wickies, a lot of splickies. My blicky up on the dresser. My blicky.
It's not playing ball with us, bro. Look at those wicks, and I feel like it's going to fill them.
It could.
4 wicks. Like, it should give a down move, and it's just remaking wicks. It's pretty annoying. I just want to see a down move here.
Fucking wick maker.
Not playing ball.
The wick maker. The chains outside the costume.
There we go. There we go. There we go.
That's the dump, Llama. Come on. I'm trimming. I'm getting ready to trim one at 96. Give me that trim. Bang. There's one trim. Bang. There's 2 trims. Nice. Oh my God. I'm cooking with gas. I'm cooking with gas. That's the MVG fill right there, Llama. That was the MVG fill.
Come on, just take us to 65.
That was the MVG chill right there.
Look at that wick out. What the fuck is happening, bro?
That was the MVG fill. I mean, it rejected right off that thing.
What do you think? It's a full close?
Nah, I'm not. I'm not full closing. I told you. I think SPX is too close to test bottom side orb. That otherwise, that's going to be the low of the day. No way, that's low of the day, is it? I mean, it absolutely could be, but I would be shocked if this doesn't make another new low after it just dumped like that.
That wig.
Yeah, that thing's gonna fucking dump. I'm gonna hold. I told you I'm gonna hold. I want to see SPX test orb and then a newer low. That's so. I'm not even looking at anything else. I got my alarm set. I trimmed 3 cons just now, so I'm feeling pretty good about it. I feel like pretty good about it.
Nasty wick out there.
My blicky on the new range breaker. Owen, I have tight range, normal range. What's it supposed to be on? I have it on tight. What's the best new setting, Logan? Owen, should I have it on normal range or should I have it on tight range? And the first range box slapped. I mean, that thing hit nice. Normal works good for the open. Okay, I'll switch it to normal. That first box hit nice.
Look at these wicks, Gengi. Look at these fucking wicks already. ES is making newer lows and NQ's just stalling, bro. It's not playing ball with us. Trying to play some ball here, my boys. What's going on here? So many wicks.
Breaking back into this little range.
We just need to print through the wick and we're fucking rolling.
Daddy Max is always trimming cons. How heavy is he going? I'm in 6 minis. 6 minis across 3 accounts. It's 18.
There's
minis.
A good move. Let's break out here, NQ. Break out here, NQ. You look good, you little dirty bitch. There we go. 5 bands.
There it goes.
Hold up. Taking a parski on that low, and I want to see 65. I'm holding 2 minis to 65.
There it goes. There it goes.
Take me to 65, dirty girl.
Go Rama. I'm trimming 3 cons there, trimming 3 more there, and I'm holding. I told you SPX is going to test that bottom side orb. I told you. Now let's see if what happens. Ooh, an MVG above. I don't like
I trimmed
that.
another one, bro. I'm not holding 2 to 65. I'm gonna hold 1 till 65. Extra, what is that? 25 points, 100 ticks. That's just an extra $500. I'll take that every day of the week.
Let's see if this starts pulling back down.
I want to see it just continue here, bro. I really do.
Yeah. Need a continuation here, heavy. It might just pop all the way to fuck back up and fill that MVG. I'm gonna take a hard close right here, Llama, because I think it's gonna pop up and fill that MVG just like that. Literally just like
hard
that.
stop at 105. I'm gonna hard stop.
It's gonna
105. I'll give it 6
fill
more
that.
points. There, broke back into orb. That's a hard stop for me. We're up 2,400 across these fucking pro accounts.
Oh, dog.
I can't.
There's
I
the
usually
MVG
don't trade
fill.
pros on Fridays, but guess what? I didn't even tell you, Maxie.
Boy,
I made my fucking biggest withdrawal ever today.
no, you didn't. Shut up. How much? You withdrew your biggest withdrawal ever? How much? Congrats, my dog.
I'm not going to tell you. I'm going to show you.
Congrats, my boy.
I'm not going to tell you. I'm going to show
Congrats,
you.
my
And I got another.
Ooh, I'll tell you guys right now, if 100 starts acting as resistance instead of support now, that's nice looking. If we treasy, okay, hold on. SPX is giving me a potential entry again.
Check me out, Maxie.
Congratulations, dude. You know, if you deserve it, the universe
The
will
thing
serve it.
is, look, I'll tell you one thing, Maxie. I've been mad quiet. I don't show my withdrawals no more. Check, but check a young nigga out.
Whoa.
Check a young nigga out, though.
Whoa. So this whole time you just been sitting here cooking with gas? Congrats, my dog.
And let's just say, I withdrew 18 on Monday. It's a 40 ball this week. I'm just saying.
That's a huge fucking week.
I'm just saying you could do better.
You could do.
Only if you hate me.
All right, I think this is the dump candle here. A big potential here. This candle needs to go ahead and hit the dumper right here. If SPX rejects here and drops below 52, 53, this is the dumper. This is like the dumper setup right here. Get ready. If SPX gets rid of 52 in a couple quarters here, Llama, this is the dumper. Like the dumper. Go ahead, SPX. Get rid of that 52. Get rid of that 52 so I can go short as fuck. Get rid of it. Bang. There's the keep dumping, daddy. Keep dumping, you daddy. You dirty daddy. No, don't pop back up. Dumpy. There it goes. SPX, let's hit the newer low. This is the dumper.
Is SPX still inside orb? Because yes, it's still in orb. It doesn't want to break
Yeah,
out.
no, it's holding like a mug.
NQ's fully broken out. I just want to see if it retests it. Like there's the retest.
Yep.
Risk reward is get into an NQ short here just based
I
on
want to see
risk
SPX
reward.
give up that fucking 52. Look at that wick.
10 o'clock though. We might get that 10 o'clock reverse skis. Don't want
10 o'clock reversey to the upside.
Oh, that was a 10 o'clock continuation.
Orb is holding. Orb
This
is
bottom
holding.
side of orb. I'm literally getting in right here at the highs. I didn't even get pulled in at 100. They put me in at 95, but I'm in that bitch and I'm up 300. Come on, pussy. Give me a continuation here, bitch.
Let's go. If you want it, short it, baby, let me know. And SPX really needs to dump that 52. If it gets that 52.
ES breaks out, this gets so aggressive here. We
Oh,
just
yeah.
need ES to break out.
Yeah, this is the spot, baby.
You don't want to break back into orb. You really don't. And it did. You don't want to do that. I know you don't want to do that.
All right, that's the spot, Llama. Llama,
That
I'm about to go
verge right
long.
here.
I'm about to go
That's
long.
the verging.
Yeah, I'm about to go
Almost
long.
kind of good.
If SPX can hold and it didn't drop that fucking 52 off at the pool like I wanted it to, then I'm about to go long and see if we can break that structure back up to those previous wicks.
Long don't look bad here. The way NQ's stalling.
It held that bottom side orb. It held that bottom side orb. 10 o'clock wake up. Might see some buyers push. Say, what up? Good morning. How we doing, boys? And you might see a push up in the market, probably 20, 30 points. Let's see what happens, baby. I'm not going to wait on it. Stop loss at 100. You keep it real tight. Fuck your mama. Ooh, big bird. I'm Big Bird. I fuck your mom. Oh, that 100 gave up that ass again, Llama.
No, bro. I closed my short and it's back in profit, bro. Closed it with a fucking 5-point SO like an idiot.
Like a freaking turd, bro.
Like a
And there
freaking
goes-
turd, bro. Literally closed out at 12. Look at the high. 13. Get the fuck out of here, bro.
NQ SPX right here.
Oh,
And here comes that 52 test right here. Bottom side of orb. All right. I have to assume that this is going to bounce back up. If it does, I'm the long and longing. But if it breaks orb, I mean, there's really good risk to reward here. Holy fuck.
NQ's outside of orb, bro. Just like,
NQ? I don't look at
NQ's
that.
been outside of orb.
I don't even look at that.
I just want
don't even
ES
know what
to
that means.
follow. There she goes. There she
Uh-oh,
goes.
SPX
There she
breaking orb.
goes.
SPX breaking orb.
There
Uh-oh.
she goes. There she
Breaking orb low.
goes, bro. My 65 is about to get hit.
Damn,
I
look at
closed
that.
short like a hoe, bro. Why did I
Look at
close that
that.
short? Short was good, bro. Why did I close that shit?
That shit was nice. Holy fuck.
Bang, 67, 65, right? Wait, 66. Hold on.
66, baby. That range breaker
65.
break
There's
is
64
huge.
right there. Yep, 64 on the money.
That range breaker break
64 on
was
the money.
huge.
All right, we got to see what happens here. Damn, why did I close that short? I'm a hoe, bro.
You would have been up a bag.
Super bag, bro.
You
That's 40
would have been
points
up.
right there.
You would have been up the bag.
40 points. Ugh. All right, we got to see what happens here. This was a strong area for me. If this shit holds and ES breaks back in, longs might be good here. We just got to see if it pops back up or not. Damn, that was a nice 40 point. What was that? 12, bro. The high is 13. My SO is off by 1 point.
SPX looking not so good there. And Q's popping. Whoa.
65 was good there. Got to see if it continues here. I'm gonna jump
Whoa. That was a fucking move. Hold on. If SPX breaks back an orb, twin, I gotta go for it again.
on. ES is back inside. This is very interesting.
Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens.
Get back inside. Y'all fuck with that 60. Y'all fuck with that 65 though. It's caught on that since 9:30. Y'all seen it in the pre-market. Might be good here. Yes, NQ has to break back in here. Yes is already in. This is low-key good for long. Low-key good. We just got to see if it can continue here.
Yeah, it looks nice.
Continuation will be super big here.
Oh, we're back in orb. Oh, if this holds, I got. If that 100 breaks on NQ with an orb break, I gotta go long. I gotta go long.
I'm in long already.
Yeah, I got to. I literally have to. I literally have to, Lama. I don't have a choice. It's just the max way.
Too good to not jump in.
It's just the max way. I literally have to.
I talked about this shit an hour ago at 9 o'clock. Same 64 reaction.
You weren't even up at 9 o'clock, bitch.
Your stupid ass woke me up at 7.
You weren't even up at 9 o'clock, bitch.
I texted you at 7 a.m. You know I ate Chipotle yesterday. I was fucking pissing water out of
there we go. Whoa, SPX ripping, baby. Let's go. SPX ripping.
Gotta go here, though, and Q's not playing ball.
Happy Halloween, Wayne. Happy Halloween.
These highs, it's gonna really move here, but it's gotta go.
SPX just needs to clear 56.
Yes is way more aggressive than NQ is right now.
Right. But if SPX can clear 56, NQ is going to explode to the upside.
Let's see, bro. I need a move here. I need a good move here.
Let's go. Oh, SPX dumping. Let's see if it bounces off of orb. Let's see if we get a bounce off of orb or if it's going to retrace. Here we go. Ooh, potential treasy on NQ would be, oh my God, if that treasies. Oh, Llama, hold on. I'm about to go hard long.
I'm in it with 4 minis. I'm up 500 per account right now. 600.
Sheesh, there it goes.
700. We're catching a move. I just want to go here.
Got a treasy. There it goes. Potential.
I want to see one good candle here.
Potential treasy. SPX needs to just get its sweet ass. SPX gets that sweet ass up to 57, and NQ is going to go back up to, I'm telling you, it's going to get 20, 30 points.
See one good candle, like one good continuation from this candle.
For it. Boom.
NQ is getting aggressive. I'm up 1,000 per account. Holding it, bro.
I want to see SPX. That's a structure break. That's a break in. Oh, that's a beautiful fucking trade right there. Oh my God, the long.
I want to see continuation.
From this candle right now, SPX long looks so fucking good. It just needs to get rid of 57.
30-second don't look good.
No, right, 30-second. You on the 30-second chart?
I just went to look at it because the first 30 seconds was bearish. I want to see if the next 30-second could be bullish.
You on a 30-second chart, twin? What you doing down there?
Look at every time frame, twin.
What you doing down there?
You know me, I be locked in.
Shit, what you doing on that 30-second chart, twin? There's a little dumper.
Nasty reaction. Nasty reaction.
Real bad dumper there. Touching that orb again. Let's see. Popping right off of it.
Here. It's a good pull up. Come on, pussy.
Another break and re. It's another break and re. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
You want to take this high, bro? We take this high. We got space to go far, bro. We take this high. I think we go back up to 80.
It's crazy to say, but right now, if we're holding this orb, then longs do look good to me. Even though we're bearish, like the longs do look really good. It just got to break. I really want to see SPX get over 57. 55 to 57 is that range where that shit needs to go. The whole fucking range. I mean, look at the whole price action since the initial dump has been a hole. Gotta
move here, bro.
Donald Trump
target
don't
that
like
wick.
China. Donald Trump say China is asshole.
Oh,
Oh,
no.
that's a treasy down. That's a treasy down move. This thing needs the wick or it's cooked.
It's looking bearish.
This is tug of war right here, boy. This is tug of war right fucking here, boy. Let's see what
The way this
happens.
is playing off my fibs, bro, on ES, this is looking very bad.
Let's see what happens here. This is tug of war, boy. Donald
Don't
Trump
wanna
don't
see a
like China.
continuation
China
here.
wants asshole.
Don't want to see a continuation dump on the next candle because
It will. It will. If it treesies, it absolutely will. You need to see a wick in like the next 5 seconds. You need to see a pop up in the next couple seconds. I think that next one's might get ugly if you're might get ugly.
Bro, we need a break over this high. We're good here. Still holding this bitch ass trade.
Boom,
Still
boom,
holding this
boom.
bitch ass trade. We want to see a continuation here.
See if you can break back in the order, baby.
Here's their continuation. Just
Hey,
go.
chicken man, you gonna give away some accounts today? Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah.
There we go. Let's get aggressive here.
Oh,
I
yeah?
know, and I got trade exhaustion, bro. I got trade exhaustion. Like,
Reasonable. Very, very reasonable. It's a tough trading day when you're just wrapping around orb like this. You're just wrapping around it like a little snake.
in, out, in, out, in, out.
Like a little snake. It's like a magnet
closure,
to that
body
100
closure,
level.
body
You notice
closure.
how orb is right at that 100 level? It's like a fucking magnet. And it's just green, red, green, red, green, red. I mean, it's like a magnet. We just you gotta see. The overall trend is down.
Like the ES, I mean, NQ is 1, 2, 3, 4 body closures outside orb.
It's a barcode twin.
I don't like that 4 body closures outside orb. And ES, the way it's playing off this fib, bro, look how it's just heading down to the next level. Is going to be a big drop.
If and
They
when.
both broke out of orb here, and they're both outside of orb retesting.
Yep.
Bottom orb.
Got to stick to the initial analysis here that we're probably going to dump down heavy to like that 50 range. Yeah, to that 50 range. Yeah, the long is no good. Here and now. A newer low on SPX, maybe?
Every night and day, I keep on. See if we get a continuation, though.
Newer low would be huge on SPX. I mean, that thing would fall. Daily gaps on SPX to the downside. I mean, there's a lot of downside. You know, I could see SPX trailing all the way down to close the gap at 34 today. You know, it could definitely trail all the way down.
We're just in a choppy time.
Chopper style, chop,
Very choppy, and it's gonna give it's just gonna be a
Oh.
thick candle, like a 40-point candle. It's gonna just be ugly. I think happens here.
I'll tell you what, the 15-minute on SPX, this retest, if it wicks back down, is you know, it's cooked. It's cooked. It's a huge wrap. Bang, 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 bang.
Look at this. Break out of orb, break into orb, break out of orb, break back into orb. Like now we're getting bullish after it sold off. Like,
yeah,
it's just playing games with us, bro. Honestly.
That 100 level. It's like a magnet right now. It's like literally, it's just like a fucking magnet, that 100 level. Just holding on for sweet dear life. This 15-minute candle, probably gonna be the last candle that I trade. I'd be looking for a wick down. That's what I'd be looking for. A pop up and then a wick down on this candle. That's all I'm gonna be looking for.
How do you know if you have trade exhaustion? When you're sick of looking at the fucking candles go up and down is when you have trade exhaustion.
Yeah. When I'm like, fuck this chart.
There's like no PDF I can make for you. It's just like, are you sick of being in the trade? Yes or no? Yes. Get out of there.
Yeah. Are you just tired?
Yeah. There's nothing. There's no other. You know. There's no other way to explain it. Am I sick of being in? Am I sick of looking at up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down? Yes. Okay. I'm out of the trade.
I'm just watching the 15-minute candle on SPX right now. And if it just wicks below orb, then I'm pretty sure the short is going to be good for a while. Too much chop for me. The max way, the only way. Nice job across those accounts.
Might be that midline move. If it breaks these highs, it could be that midline. It's just gotta go. Like it's really just stalling out. This is probably where you just say, fuck it.
I'm just watching the 15M, and I think if the 15M can get below orb and wick down, then you're in good shape.
We shorting here. Yes, is getting aggressive.
There's that wick.
Yes, is getting aggressive. Just selling the top makes so much sense. There it
goes. There it is. Target lows, bro. Target lows.
55, even 47. Look at
Target
that bang.
The lows, baby. There goes that break of orb. Target the lows.
I knew it was just gonna be one thick ass candle, bro.
If that bitch closes, bro. If this thing closes below 76, oh my god. Target the continuation. Target the lows.
This one's got to give a continuation. 30-pointer. I knew it was going to be chop.
There we go.
Trade exhaustion, close, big ass candle.
Keep going. There it goes. Keep going. I want to see it break lows, baby.
47's next move, I think.
Bang. I trimmed a little right there. Yeah, I trimmed a little right there. I want to see a continuation. No
Two,
pop
360,
though.
two,
No
360.
pop. No pop.
With all the little chop it made down here, this prior support should turn resistance here at 85 and then just sell back off.
The 15-minute
Prior
candle,
support,
baby.
turn resistance, and then continuation downwards. This should win 2,
This guy
360,
said he's full porting long on NQ. Damn, twin. Good luck with that, baby. You got this. You got this. If you full porting long on NQ, bro, you got this.
I support you. I support you, brother.
Right. I support you too. I support him like a motherfucker. I want to see NQ go down to the 30s. You said 50?
So 47, and then I really have more targets all the way at 970 and 800.
Nice. Good reclaim this. All right, I'm getting out of that. I'm getting out of the short right there, and I'm gonna wait. Gonna wait for a little pop and probably start scaling back into it.
Let's see. There's a retest of orb.
Yeah.
The break back into orb is the question. Is just today just a disrespect orb day, just in and out all day.
Bro, that 100 level is like a fucking magnet.
I think if it breaks 100, it goes all the way 150.
I think it could go up to like 105, 115, and you're still just in that range.
How are you telling me to spend too much time on Discord and F1? Can my kid says she draw something that I will love?
Oh, hell yeah. Aw. That's badass. She drew your next. Let's fucking go. That's huge. That's awesome.
Top at 105. I mean, they both were just now broke back into orb. There's that 105 on the money, man.
Yeah.
See if it rejects it or not at this point.
5 more minutes, and I'm looking for an SPX Treasy. There will be no rejection. It's going to break out of range. If SPX dumps this orb again, I might go short here. It's just rangy in the rangy. It needs to break up high as fuck, though.
If it breaks, then you full port. If it doesn't,
there was a lot of buyers down there. Whoa, bro! If you had hair like that, I'm not even gonna kid, but I would piss myself laughing if that was your actual head. I would fucking die if you showed up like that one day.
In no way I get hair like that.
Whoa, that was a big green stick.
Yep, there's the break.
Whoa, some volume. Was there news there at 10:30? That's just exhaustion.
It's testing the peak. Then go to 80.
It's testing the peak right here. This is the peak. So if it's going to reject, this is the rejection peak on NQ. Let's see if it hits and goes. But if this thing can get above 32, it might go. Or does it reject all the way at this peak? Based on the previous price action data, rejection is the move. But there goes 30. There goes 30. It's fighting.
We back, boy.
We back. This peak.
Oh, you're talking about battle of the crackers?
Battle of the What'd you call them?
Crackers.
All right, I'm not gonna lie, guys. I gotta take the hat off. I'm gonna take the hat off. Oh, well, holy fuck.
Oh, you're rad, twin. Oh my god, look at that. That boy got the fucking ouchie.
You're hurting.
You hurting.
I'm sitting here and I'm fucking hurting. Good God. Max looks like he's trying to sell you a $5 at the Wendy's. What you mean? What you mean by that?
$5 is crazy work.
What you mean by that?
That is crazy work. Boom, there's midline. Yep. And so the way it was rejecting, bro, that same 64 area I kept talking about in pre-market. Sell to it, if you go buy off of it. In the shower right now, twin. What's up? What you mean?
Who said that? I'm in the shower right now.
Ryan M. In the shower right now, bro. What's up? What do you mean? What do you mean, what's up?
Did you even say anything to him, or
I don't know.
He just can't. Hold on, I'm loading up my accounts right now, baby. I know that's right. Let's fucking go. I passed my TPT account. Let's go. Congratulations. All right.
Instant.
How wet do you think my shirt is?
Bro, that shit probably wet, boy. That boy got that build, bro. That boy got them shorts from 06. Look how long them shits go way past the knee. Look at them shorts, bro. You got the titty sweat. Look at that. Then you got the roll sweat. Look at that roll, twin. Swap the shirts. Look at Logan. Look at the Logan picture.
That boy got that. That boy had a look. That's where my titties go. Oh, what was that? Is that an MVG on the chart?
Hold on, buddy, because guess what? I said if we break through this midline here, we go up to 87.
I love Kevin Gates.
I love Kevin Gates. It's going to be a dumper.
Well, there's no way this candle doesn't dump. If that's a real MVG, there's no way that doesn't just fucking
Hold on, because I'm buying my accounts right now, and you know I'm finna tweak out if it is what I think.
Is that MVG real on the charts? Am I bugging or is that real? Yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy.
Hey, bro, this shit got a picture of Amex on the ass. Man, like, what are you talking about? Like, why
There
would
goes
they
that
not accept
MVG.
Amex?
There goes
Right
that
there.
MVG fill right there. That
That
MVG
shit got a
fill
picture of
right
Amex
there.
right there.
Oh, there's a dumper. Dumper style, dumper style, dumper style, dump. Oh, I don't know. All right, there's my one and done. I'm doing a one and done. Put a one and done right there. $200. Not bad. I'm gonna
How many
log
days you
off.
need for this shit?
Only 3, but if you got to go big for it. But I'm not about that. I'm not about that. I'm gonna take it serious, take it slow.